Hello everybody, I'm so happy to see you this action. Well, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Faizul Rian Azizi, but you can call me Faizul. Name 611415115. Rumble for bahasa Inggris. I come from Pati, Central Java. I never went to school at the state elementary school. One Alas Dowo then graduated in 2009 and continued in junior high school. One Tayu graduated in 2012 and at senior high school One Tayu. I'm student of Sport Science Faculty at Semarang State University. I was born in Pati on August 18 tahun 1897. My family and left at Kenandi RT 7 RW1 Pati Central Java. My father named Jaswanto and he worked as a teacher, and my mother named Sulistiani, she is housewife. My second child of two brothers, my sister Chad Hilal Adimawan, he also worked as a policeman. My hobby is jogging and volleyball because since child I love sport. I dream to be policeman and have I love motto. My feet fell with my fortunes. Volleyball is sport game played by two opposing groups. Each group had 6 players. Sport set volleyball FIVB Federation International de Volleyball as the parent international organization. Water in Indonesia shot by PBVSI atau the National Volleyball Federation of Indonesia. Instrument games ball. The ball has a circumference of circle 65 to 67 cm, weighing to 2060 to 1080 grams. Net size net height of 243 meter. Men and women net 240 meter. Team volleyball, the length of the straight length of 18 meters with field measuring 9 meters, adding length with measuring 3 meters. How games? The game is played by two teams each consisting of 6 players and compete to reach number 15 in advance. In a team, there are 4 important roles, namely tosser or setter, speaker, smash, libero, and defender. Tosser or header is person whose job is to feed the ball to his clubs and set the course of the game. Speaker has to hit the ball that fell in the area of the opponent's defense. Libero is defender who can fail, exit, and enter but should not speak a ball across the net. Defender is the last player to receive the attack of the opponent. Volleyball game requires power action, especially tosser must be able to set the course of the game. Tosser must dash what he should do with the ball that he can, and everything was done in a fraction of a second before the ball fell to the ground. Throughout the game. The game is played by two teams each consisting of 6 players and serve and rest 15 to rest 25 in advance to win a round. Game rules: counting numbers. Rules of the game of volleyball is if the enemy can put the ball into the RV, then we lost the ball and the enemy did fall self. We do have to be over the net and into enemy. A round-robin match consisting of 8 teams and will is distributed into 2 groups, each group consisting of 4 teams. Each team consists of 10 players in called 6 core players. We play on the field and 4 rest players. Substantion for players and big out as the match is not resisted. The match will not be delayed in if one or more than one member of the team was playing for another sport. The minimum number of players are allowed to play on the field is 4. When on the field there are less than 4 people, then the time in question will be considered lost. Each match lasts for 3 rounds. Best of 3 expect the second round will be in the round the max of. To make sure the winner of 3 does not need to be involved, the system used is the count of 45 rally points. If the participant point series 24, then the match will be at 2 points. Participant who is winning by a margin of 2 points will win the match. The victory in the qualifier get a fall of 1 if 3 or 2 or more teams get the same fall. Then the decision of the group wins and runner-up will be shown from the quality of the number in each set being played. Cross intro include the player turns the net or cross the boundary lines middle of field. Must not throw or at the ball. Volleyball should be rifled with what the basic pitch. The ball that is reflected out of the field have not been counted as out before touching the surface of the field. At the time of serving, the ball passing through the field is called as a point for the opponent. And fish first response of service opponent keeps the ball out counts as a point for the opponent. All the players must be in the field at the time to do the serve. Players do speak above the obstacle L parts of the legal body for bouncing the ball means of king. The players and opponent about 2 times the ball in count as double foul. Each team required to serve set of the fight at the time of each round and it don't have the placement set to 3. The time the rest the last play my approval axing the pit story after the opening team reach their team. Time out is the only one time in each held and lasts only 1 minute. Out of the rules continued here, rules of the game follow the information regulation basic tanks volleyball game. Service the team was no longer as the wing game of just serving the ball, but as service track for the team who perform service content of service and service hands down the upper hands service upper. And again, this things but on 10 serve floating and checks. Service hand down at first player stand in the service with left foot over to the front of the right foot. The ball is hands the front to the hip, right hand fall down the back. Once the ball is acrobatic waist, right arm straight, head swung to hit the ball. Palms facing the ball and hands to turned to obtain a perfect regulation. The hand can be grabbed. Passing down upon grateful hands down. Squat posture cam safely bend hand force together one with under meeting hand moment approach to the heart weakness speed of the ball. Performing a head punch attack when the ball is on top of the net to put the open area to the well net to play action perfect revolution post and landing marginal smash. Technique in volleyball game to play the ball expertly and every in angle with the applicable rules and the game in order to us an optimal rest. Smash is for the time of and contact with in full at the top. Blocking. The ball is was top the hands block. The definition of block in the game of volleyball is an attempt to stem the attack in the from smash your opponent to not get point. We prefer the not blocking the coming from the opponent. Block are of two kinds. Single block stem the ball is carried out by one player. Double block stem the ball is carried out by two or more players. It should be considered in formation scout block. Comparison between blocks in determining the time, jump, and the screen of moment of the ball. So all can say about the sport volleyball I objects is if there are n word of less big for given. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.